Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add Google Password Manager to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and then tap on more privacy settings. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on autofill service from Google. In here, tap on Google Password Manager. Then we go down and tap on add shortcut to your home screen. Then tap on add. Now tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, now you have a shortcut to quickly access Google Password Manager. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.